Hey, welcome back, my dear friend. This is Subhash here, and welcome to the week number 3 explanation lesson. And in this lesson, we are going to explain everything why, how you can start, and what you get inside week number 3 of Ministry of Freedom 2.0 system. Okay, so I'm just clicking week number 3. It is complete launch Zeki method, like introduction videos and intro video, introduction videos, finding offer, because a lot of newbie, I know once I start in affiliate marketing, then I don't know how to select a right offer, but I have learned everything. Okay, so introduction videos and how the system work, introduction and finding good offer, because so many beginners doing a mistake because they don't know how they can find the right affiliate offer. So Zono explain everything how you can find great offer which converting well using a free traffic source, and you can make at least your $100 and $200 within a week 1 and week 2. So this video is really important. And how you can proper set up all calendars, and how you can organize, and because I'm using calendar, so they will explain how you can set, how you can find offer, and how you can list or link which is help you and save your time to just once you're recording a review video and like something. Okay, and link approval and review access. So this is really important, because a lot of people launching their product on manchai.com, then you can access this all their software, their courses before going launch, and you can create a review video, and you can once someone access, then you can buy, then you can make a lot of commission. And video number next, how you can create a bonus page. Basically you don't need to create, they will provide done for you DFY bonus page. So simply copy the code and paste your commission gorilla, and you can change the affiliate link, and just good to go. And still you're facing any problem, then feel free, let me know. I personally know about how to use commission gorilla. And simply if you want to access commission gorilla, then I have provided the link, and it is just around $25 like for 1 year. So it is really cheap, and you can make unlimited bonus piece. So but if you do not have access, then you should access this Ministry of Freedom system, and I'll go to explain next lesson. Okay, and if you don't know about, if you don't have time, then you can outsource. They have explained how you can outsource and make a review video and streaming hack and uploading it and description. So it is just YouTube work, just little bit technical, but it is really easy, like everybody can do it. And video ranking, how you can rank a video, I'll personally help you to ranking your video, and customize custom bonuses, how you can provide a custom bonus. So they have bonus database, so they will provide completely free. Zono provide completely free, so you can select a bonus and provide to your customer. And how you can get a free traffic, you can, once you rank your video on YouTube, then traffic coming on your site, your review video, and once someone purchases, then you will make a lot of commission. And the best thing is that I am a huge fan of Zono. Zono provide rotator. Do you know what is the rotator? Rotator is, don't need to do any work yourself. You simply get your affiliate link and submit his team, and Zono send
Rotator type 1.
Someone buy, then you will get commission.
Okay, and this is only exclusive to brand new people that have joined Ministry of Freedom and have paid full price for.
On here, rotator 1, in Zono traffic about, I do not play this video because you will get a whole secret, but without access, so it is not, it is just like something. Okay, so let's explain on here. Just a minute. Like first of all, I'll delete this and explain about how this system work, how what is rotator. So two type rotator. Rotator number 1, you can get like this every day launch, people launching a lot of product, so Zono review every product. So like this product, so you can get the affiliate link, this product and this product and this product. And once you get your affiliate link, okay, once you get affiliate link, you can submit to Zono team, okay, Zono team, and Zono send, and Zono team send traffic, okay, and Zono team send traffic to your affiliate link, and once someone buy, then you will make a lot of commission. So this system is work, and Zono provide this system for 90 days. So in 90 days, Zono reviews a lot of product, and you need to only grab your affiliate link and provide to the Zono team, clicking on here, hey, this is my affiliate link, and they will explain how Rotator work and how you can provide link, and how you can send everything. So inside you don't worry. And if every rotator you can make $100, okay, then in your first 30 days, Zono review approximately 60 products, 70 product just one single month. But I just for example, you can make only $100 for just one rotator affiliate link. Then every 30 day, okay, multiply by $100, so you can make, sorry for my bad drawing, so you can make at least $3,000 from rotator earning without doing anything. You don't need to create your bonus page, you don't need to create anything, still you will able to make your affiliate commission without doing anything. And this is rotator number 1, okay. Here a lot of product Zono review, and you can get only your affiliate link and send to the Zono team. Zono explain everything on here, and you will make your a lot of commission, okay. And rotator number 2 is that, rotator number 2 I'll explain how you can get benefit. Rotator number 2, okay, once Zono launch any product, okay, like I'm going to just show you Zono. Here you can see. So I hope you watching this video before February, and if you are watching this video, this date is crossed, then no worry, Zono launching every month product. So you can see you will get 100% commission to front end, but Zono provide you every funnel, okay, every funnel 100% commission, okay. You will get 100% commission to all his funnel, and Zono also send traffic to your affiliate link, okay, to your affiliate link to their 80,000, okay, 80K email list, okay. So once their audience bought this product, then you can make approximately minimum to minimum, I'm sure you minimum to make, you make will $4,000. so without doing, every month you can make approximately 4 plus 3, okay, 4 plus 3, approximately just $6,000 without doing anything, just rotator 1 and rotator 2. This is the rotator earning, okay. So you can invest your 50, why you can spend your $1,500, because if you don't know anything, you're doing nothing, you can follow every rotator method, and you can submit your affiliate link to Zono team, and Zono send free traffic to your affiliate link, and their audience, Zono's audience bought product using your affiliate link, then you will make commission. So this is the beauty of Ministry of Freedom. And two type rotator, and every 60 day, why he just give you a guarantee to making your 10K commission, because they provide a rotator method. So I'll already explain in course introduction videos how they given a method to make your 10K in 60 days. So same this rotator method. So I highly recommend this because I have spent my $1,500 to this program, and I have generated a lot money. I have generated just 1,000% plus money using this
That we have with the Ministry of Freedom that's going to allow you to make that $10,000 within the next 60 days. Now, after this 60 days has passed, and presuming that you've done all of these things that I've laid out, which I'll talk to you about in a second, then you should be able to realistically rinse and repeat and generate $10,000 per month every 30 days. But obviously in the beginning, it's the hardest part to get the wheels moving. So that's why we're starting out with this 60-day action plan, which ties in with the guarantee. So this is how it's going to work. Now, if you're going to be doing the organic way of doing the Ministry of Freedom, so if you don't have any extra money to spend on paid advertising and you want to do everything organically, starting with pretty much $0, this is how you're going to be able to do it within the next 60 days. So we're going to be starting off with launch jacking. Okay, and all of these terms might sound a little bit alien to you right now. Don't worry, we're going to be covering each one of these different things individually inside the Ministry of Freedom. But we're going to start off with launch jacking. Okay, you're going to do this for 15 days consistently, and you're going to do one video per day for the next 15 days, okay, or for the first 15 days. Now, obviously, this is ideally if you are going to be committing to this action plan. You don't have to do this for the next 15 days. I mean, if you don't have the time on your hands, then I would suggest that you just take this in your own pace. But if you do have all the time in the world on your hands and you really want to commit to this 60-day challenge and get all of this done in the next 60 days, this is what the layout's going to be looking like, right? So first 15 days, we're going to be doing launch jacking. Okay, one video per day. We're going to get to 15 videos in total. After that 15 days, we're going to get into the soft launch. Okay, and this is basically creating